So if the syrup's not working and the cough keeps coming back, time to try something different. Because here's what most parents don't know. Cough syrup isn't always effective for young kids. In fact, for children under 6, it can do more harm than good. But here's a better, safer option. A teaspoon of honey before bed. Studies show it's better than most cough suppressants for children over 1. And if it lasts for more than a few days, there may be an underlying issue, like postnasal drip or asthma. We can help you figure that out at Alexcellence.